Hello everyone. Let's continue with the control statements, right? So when I say control statements, I'm speaking of if, else, and switch. So basically, what does control statements do? These statements control the flow of execution based on certain conditions or switches between the different cases if you are making use of switch. So let's see with the example, you'll understand clearly. So what I'll do, I'll just come here, let me right click, hover on new, let me create the new Java class. I'll just name this one conditional example and hit enter, right? Yeah, here we can see that we have defined a public class named conditional example. So here what I'll do, I'll just define the main method by making use of public static void main. I'll just give here string and argument, right? Next, what I'll do, I'll just declare the integer variable named number and initialize it with particular value. I'll just give int number. I'll just take 10. I'll just give the value 10. Let's make use of the if-else statement, right? I'll just comment over here and I'll give if-else statement just for the reference. So here I'll just give if number is greater than 0. What we are doing here, we are checking if the number is greater than 0. Let me make use of sout, nothing but system out println. I'll just give positive number. So if the number is greater than 0, then we are giving it as positive number. If that is true, we are printing positive number. Else, what we'll do, we'll just give non-positive number. Just make use of sout, non-positive number. So this is it. Next, let's make use of the switch statement. So here, the simple if-else statement, we have made use of the if-else, right? So if number is greater than 0, we are printing positive number. And if the else, we are printing non-positive number, right? Next, let's make use of the switch statement as well. Let me comment this one. So yeah, what I'll do, I'll declare an integer variable named day and initialize it with certain value. I'll just give int day equals 2. Let me make use of the switch day. This one, right? I'm giving the variable name day here. So it's just the start of the switch statement. Initially, let's consider case 1. If the day is 1, then what we'll do, we'll just print Monday, right? Let me give sout here Monday, right? If the day is 2, then Tuesday, day is 3, Wednesday, and so on, right? Or we'll just give other days, something like that. I'll just give here, let me copy the same thing and make the necessary changes, right? So I'll just come here, let me paste it here thrice. I'll just make this one case 2 and here I'll just make this one case 3. The final one will be always default here, right? Here, if it is day 2, then I'll make this one Tuesday. If it is day 3, then I'll just make this one Wednesday. If the day is not 1, 2 or 3, I'll just give this one as other day, right? After this one, in the default, we always have to give break, right? what this will do, we are exiting the switch by making use of the break, right? Let me run the code. Let's wait for some time. So here it has to show positive number and to stay. So here I have done a mistake. Basically here after this one, have to give break here as well, right? Here also, let me give break. Sorry. Let me give break here as well. So yeah, now let me run the code again. So now you can see positive number as well as the Tuesday. So why we are getting the positive number? The number we have considered is 10. The condition we have taken here is if number is greater than 0, we are printing the it as positive number. Else we are printing it as non-positive number, right? If I take 10 here and run the code again, it has to give me non-positive number as well as the Tuesday, right? Let's see. This one is showing non-positive number. Also here why this one is showing Tuesday, because integer, the variable day, we have set this one to 2. Case 2 system, we are printing Tuesday, right? If I give here any other number rather than 1, 2, 3, let me give 1 for this instance, and let's check. It has to print Monday right here, non-positive number as well as the Monday. Let's check. So yeah, we are getting non-positive number as well as the Monday. So yeah, this is it. Next will be going with the loops. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.